Open a new file, solid part, name of the file ch4 underscore s1 underscore 1. Uncheck use default template, click OK. Select the system of units, millimeter Newton second, click OK. Click extrude, placement, define. Choose sketching plane as front plane. Let right plane be the reference plane and its orientation facing right. Click sketch and then click sketch view. Select line chain tool, start sketching, draw a vertical line, then a horizontal line. Don't allow any constraints. Draw a vertical line. Now see that the two vertical lines are of the same length L. Draw a small horizontal line. Click. Come out of the line command. Start the line command again from the starting point. Draw another horizontal line of the same length as the earlier horizontal line. Click. Draw a vertical line. Horizontal line, and then watch for vertical alignment symbols. Then click close. Now this is a closed sketch which can be extruded. Click the middle mouse button again. So Creo shows all the dimensions here. This actually there is one dimension that is 13 which is supposed to be this length. Instead Creo has assigned this. So now we will introduce this dimension here. Ensure that the select is highlighted and then go to normal, that is create dimension. Bring the cursor on this horizontal line, click and select that. Move the cursor a little down and click middle mouse button. So now you see all the dimensions that we want are here. Now we are ready to edit these dimensions. We'll edit all these dimensions simultaneously. Select, then go to modify, uncheck regenerate, select the first dimension. From the sketch this is supposed to be 13, so select type 13, enter, and the height should be 25, enter. The base width is 40 millimeters, enter. Depth of cut is 12 millimeters, enter. We have added all the dimensions. So now click on regenerate, then accept this. So you see all the dimensions are rightly placed. So accept this sketch, and by default this depth of extrusion is 216.51. Let's edit this depth of extrusion. Click here and type extrusion depth as 35 millimeters. Enter. Verify this, accept this, and then put this in default orientation. Okay. For clarity, we can hide the datum planes. Click here, can select all of them, click outside, and then repaint. Then we can also put this in hidden line display style. Click outside. So that is the model we wanted to create. Now we can draw the 2D drawings of this. So we'll open a new file. This time it is going to be a drawing file, and then name of the file will be again ch4 underscore s1 underscore 1. Uncheck use default template. Click OK. Let the sheet be empty. Let it be in landscape style. Select the sheet size as A4 sheet and then click OK. So that is the drawing sheet we have. Before we try to draw, let's change the projection type. Go to File, Prepare, Drawing Properties, Detail Options, Change. Click on Projection Type. Pull down the options. Say First Angle. Add Change. Apply. Close, and again close this window. So we are in the first angle projection environment. Click on General. No combined state must be highlighted. Click OK. Click here where we want to place the model. This is general view. I want front view. Click on front view. Apply. If there is a overlapping of the views like this, then click on repaint. Okay, this is front view. This is too small. Let's change the scale. Go to Scale. Go to Custom Scale. Let this be 2. Enter. Apply. So it has become big now. And close. So this is front view. Now we'll add the other views to this. To add, this must be selected. That means green border is there. Then go to Projection. This is right side view. Again select the front view. Go to Projection. Click on the right side. This is left side view. Again select the front view. Then go to Projection. click on the lower side here. This is top view, and we will place a general view here in this corner. So go to general, no command set again, click here, OK, then click here, default orientation, apply, close. So this is it. Now if these are too close to the border here, I would like to move them down. So I must unlock the view movement. Click here, it becomes white. Then click the front view and move it down like this. Click this, move it a little to the left here, and click this, move it a little to the right. So that is the three views. Now we'll have to write dimensions for this. For writing dimensions, we must go to annotate, that is dimension new references. Click on this. On entity must be highlighted. Then bring the cursor on this line whose dimension you want. Click on this, bring out the cursor, click middle mouse button. Then this dimension I want it to be placed 13, and this height must be given. This must be 12. And one more dimension, that is this 40 must be added here. Click outside here, 40. The the depth dimension either can be given here or it can be given in the top view. Okay, we'll give that depth of extrusion in the top view. So click here, click. Okay, you can also give this dimension on this side just for clarity. Okay, so that completes the model creation. Okay, so you can see this is the, and also I would like to add my name to this. Click on note, no leader line, enter horizontal standard default, make note. I want where I click, so I click here and then write my name, C M K O T I. You can type your roll number there and accept this. Again click, so my name appears here, and say done and return. Okay, now this is highlighted. You can move it to any required position. This scale is oddly placed here. Let's move it to a convenient location. Select that first and then move it and bring it here. Click outside. That completes the creation of this model. This is the 2D drawings, and you have the part model also here. So thank you.